Good morning, bachcho. I have told about the village of Palampur chapter of economics of class 9th. I am teaching last two lectures I have told. Now the third lecture of this particular chapter is going to start today. Listen, I have told that in the Palampur there is the agriculture is the main source of their earning, and farming is the main production activity in the Palampur, and 75% of the people are depend on the farming, and they are also called the farmer labor. They are also called the farmer laborers. Palampur would resemble a village of the western part. Where is the Palampur? Palampur is located in the western part of the UP, and all the lands are cultivated in the Palampur, and in the Palampur there is no further crop to be increased in the farm production by bringing the new land under cultivation. And one thing more is that the standard unit of the measuring land is the hectare. Though in the villages, such as some villages, they are also called the bigha ghinta, they are called. And the 1 hectare is equal to one hectare is equal to the 1 hectare is equal to the area of the square with one side measuring of the meters, and this Palampur, where I told that Palampur is located in the western part of the state of the Uttar Pradesh, and all the land in the cultivated in the Palampur, and no land is the left ideal. During the rainy season. What happened during the rainy season? The Kharif farmers grow the jowar and the bajra. What the crops are growing there, jowar and bajra, they are going, and these plants are used as a cattle feed. They are using these plants to feed their cattle, and it is followed by farmers grow the jowar and the bajra, and they are also doing the cultivation of the potato between the October and the December. In the winter season, the rabi crops are sown with the wheat. Which crops are growing there in the Kharif season? That the wheat. And from the wheat produce, farmers keep enough wheat for the family consumption and sell the surplus wheat at the market at the Raiganj. Means those wheat are needed for their consumption, they are keeping, and the rest of the surplus thing they are selling in the Raiganj market to earn the money. Apart from the land area is also devoted to the sugar cane is harvested from once a year sugar cane, and it's in the raw form and as a jaggery and sold to the traders in the Shahpur. And one thing, why the main reason why the farmers of the Palampur are able to grow the different crops in a year in the Palampur. Why? Because due to the well developed system of the irrigation, because their irrigation system is too well, that's why they are grow more crops in a year. And the electricity came earlier to the Palampur. It is the major impact was to transform the system of the irrigation, and the Persian wheels are also there till used by the farmers to draw the water from the wells and irrigate the small fields. People saw that the electric run tubes could irrigate much large area of the land more effectively, and the first few tubes were installed by the government in the Palampur. Okay, so what we learn today, that in the Palampur the irrigation facility is too well, and Persian wheels are also there by which the people can get the water from the wells and from the tubes to irrigate the fields. And the more and more crops are growing there, and what the crops are growing there, they are using there for the consumption, and rest of the things they are selling in the market. These are the things which I told today, and these are the facilities of the Palampur for the irrigation. In chapter, means in next lecture I will tell you about the I will tell you about the things which is more related to this chapter, like the green revolution. Thank you.